Which one is the best smart home assistant?
Siri is the best in my opinion.
So today we are gonna unbox the Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation, which I got like yesterday. As I already have Apple HomePod, HomePod Mini, and the Home Google Home Nest Mini too. So without wasting any time, let me unbox it. Echo Dot 5th generation. So I ordered the black one, so even though the box is blue, maybe the Amazon Prime logo or stuff like that. So let me quickly unbox this. Let's talk about the design. So we're going to talk about three main things: the design, the price, not the price, the build quality, and the audio. So for the price, it's around 54.99, and I got it for 5,000 something. In US dollars, it is $49 if I'm not wrong. So now come back to the design. It does look like somewhat similar to HomePod, but it is not that much of a mesh fabric, because on the HomePod you can literally press it and you can feel the difference, because that is really a mesh. Even though it is, but it seems like some sort of plastic, and the build quality is like okay for the price, but I will not say something as great as the HomePod. So let me try to set this up. And one more thing, while ordering the Echo, you can simply order it using your Amazon account and link it directly. So let's see if it works like plug and play. So let me plug it. So I have plugged it in, and as you can see, there is a blue ring around the base, which looks pretty cool, and it seems to be updating or moving. So I will set this up and see. Alexa, still it seems to be under setup.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Okay, so you will get these steps like this. I hope you will be able to see it on the screen. So let me quickly set it up. Now it is connecting to the device, searching for the Wi-Fi. We will see how seamless the process is, because with the Home Nest Mini, I got like two fail attempts with the Google Home app. So not sure how it's gonna work. With the Apple HomePod, it is very simple. Like you scan the top light or enter the code manually. That's pretty much it. So now it is showing us connecting to your saved Wi-Fi network. So now the LED is, to be honest, this LED is pretty bright as compared to the Siri one, the HomePod one, which is colorful but not as bright as this. So this look some sort of spaceship like design.
Your Echo is ready.
Okay, so now it is ready. Okay, I have set up some manual questions, so let's see. Alexa, which one is the best home assistant?
Are you looking for homestay stand?
Alexa, which one is best smart home assistant?
From analyticsigndiamag.com. As of now, Amazon's Alexa is the best in the market for smart homes and home automation.
Even though I have changed the questions still. Alexa, open my questions.
I can answer any question from your My Questions list. What's your question?
Alexa, which one is the best smart home assistant?
Siri is the best in my opinion.
Okay, so it seems we need to say open my questions, then it will work. Alexa, do you want to say something to the viewers?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Let's try again. Alexa, open my questions.
I can answer any question from your my questions list. What's your question?
Alexa, do you want to say something to the viewers?
While watching this video, click on subscribe button and hit the like button as well. And don't forget to mention in the comments so that I can check the comments later on.
Okay, so you heard her right. So if you guys are enjoying this video, do hit the subscribe button and the like button. So now let's check the audio quality. Let me try to set this up with the other phone and see if I'm able to play the music over the Bluetooth, because I'm not sure if I'm able to AirPlay to the Alexa. So let's give it a try. Okay, so it took me quite a while to Google it and see how I can pair it. So I can simply use it as a Bluetooth speaker. I just need to go into the Alexa app and uh, pair it manually from Alexa app to the iPhone. So let me try to play some music. It is at medium volume, as you can see. It seems I can increase the volume from here. So this is the middle volume. I'm not sure if you guys can hear the music. Okay, the bass is there. It definitely sounds better than the Google Home or Google Nest Mini 2. But the thing is, at the highs, the volume is not that loud and the instrument seems to be lower as compared to the bass, and I can see the difference as compared to HomePod. Let me try to change the track and see if that makes any difference. Bass is there. I can feel the bass. My HomePod is back there. Let me see if I can play. Okay, that one is in the kitchen. Let me try this one here. Now it is at the medium volume. That's the max. That HomePod is over there, like not even close as compared to this one. So let me compare it again. This is the Echo Dot at max volume. Let me try again. Now let's switch to the HomePod. So you can see the difference, like even though that one costs around 9,999, no, now it will cost 10,999 as the price has changed. But that one was launched in 2020 October, if I'm not wrong, and the Nest Mini was in October 2019. The Nest Mini does not sound as with the bass. There's no bass, pretty much not existent. But with this one, bass is there, but Nest Mini sound little better when it comes to other things, not just the bass. The mids and highs, the lows are pretty good in Nest Mini, but this one, like, I'm not gonna use it as my like smart speaker. I will try to use the Nest Mini, or as usual the HomePod setup, because that one is far better. So if you guys are interested, I can compare it with the HomePod Mini and the Nest Mini with the in-depth review, as this is just the unboxing. So I'm gonna use it for like 2-3 days and see if there is any practical use case, because I am trying to build a smart home, or at least try to automate few of the things. So we will see how it goes. So far the first impressions, apart from the LED, the ring LED, everything seems to be pretty like normal, not something that great or anything which will blow my mind like with the HomePod, which obviously it does. That's the reason why I purchased 2 HomePod minis. So if you guys are interested in an in-depth review of this Echo as with comparison to the Nest Mini and the HomePod Mini, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will catch you in the next one.